Hey, everybody, Dr. Mike here. Trying to lose weight but tired of boring diets? What if I told you the secret to shedding those extra pounds could be as simple as eating the right fruits? In today's video, we're diving into some of the healthiest fruits that not only help you lose weight but also taste amazing. Stick around because these 7 fruits might just surprise you. We're not talking about some exotic, hard-to-find superfoods here. Let's get started. First up, we have a classic, the apple. Apples are incredibly rich in fiber, especially a type of fiber called pectin. Fiber adds bulk to your diet, making you feel fuller for longer, which means fewer cravings and less snacking. You can munch on a whole apple for under 100 calories, making it the perfect guilt-free snack. Plus, the act of chewing on a crunchy apple can actually help satisfy your cravings and prevent you from reaching for those processed, sugary snacks. So, next time you're feeling peckish, skip the chips and reach for an apple instead. Let's move on to another group of weight loss champions, berries. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, you name it. These little guys are nutritional powerhouses, packed with antioxidants and fiber. Toss them in yogurt, blend into smoothies, or snack on a handful. Enjoy their weight loss benefits all year round. Now, let's talk about a fruit that often gets overlooked when it comes to weight loss: grapefruit. This tangy citrus fruit can actually help boost your metabolism and burn fat. Studies have shown that consuming grapefruit or grapefruit juice before meals can lead to greater weight loss. Grapefruit is also a great source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports a healthy immune system. If you're not a fan of the tart taste, you can try adding a sprinkle of stevia or a drizzle of honey to balance it out. When you think of summer fruits, watermelon probably comes to mind. This juicy melon is a fantastic ally in your weight loss journey. Watermelon is hydrating, keeping you full and reducing overeating. A cup of diced watermelon has less than 50 calories. Enjoy it as a snack, add it to smoothies, or combine with feta and mint for a salad. It's a delicious way to support your weight loss goals. Let's move on to a tropical delight: pineapple. This tangy fruit contains a powerful enzyme called bromelain. Bromelain helps your body break down proteins more efficiently, which can be particularly helpful if you're experiencing bloating or digestive discomfort. Improved digestion means your body can absorb nutrients more effectively, which can help regulate your metabolism and support a healthy weight. Enjoy pineapple chunks on their own, grill them for a smoky flavor, or add them to smoothies, salsas, or even stir-fries. Just remember to consume pineapple in moderation, as it does contain natural sugars. Now I know what you're thinking. Wait, isn't avocado a vegetable? Technically, avocado is a fruit, and it's a unique one at that. Unlike most fruits, avocados are loaded with healthy fats, making them great for weight loss. These fats help you feel fuller and can reduce belly fat. Add avocado to salads, spread on toast, or make guacamole. Enjoy in moderation. Last but not least, let's talk about pears. These often overlooked fruits are a fantastic source of fiber, packing about 24% of your daily fiber needs in just one medium-sized pear. Fiber is your secret weapon against hunger pangs and overeating. Pears are also low in calories and fat, making them a guilt-free snack or addition to your meals. Enjoy pears on their own, poach them in red wine for an elegant dessert, or slice them up and add them to salads or cheese boards. Their slightly sweet and delicate flavor pairs well with a variety of ingredients. 7 amazing fruits to help you achieve your weight loss goals. Incorporate them into a balanced diet, engage in regular physical activity, and prioritize your mental well-being. Subscribe for more tips to live a healthier, happier